Hello everyone. Today we will how to make น้ำตกหมู Okay, let's start it. หมูน้ำตก หมูน้ำตก is a Thai dish from the northeastern region อีสาน that had influenced from Lao cuisine. It is made by grilling or frying pork, then mixing it with seasoning and fresh herbs like shallot, mint, roasted rice powder, and lime. Origin หมูน้ำตก is a past Isan cuisine which share roots with Lao food. The word น้ำตก does not mean a natural waterfall, but refer to the juice that drip from the meat. While grilling originally, น้ำตก was a simple way of cooking grilled meat popular in Isan and Laos. Over time, it developed into the flavorful dish with a balance of sour, spicy, salty, and sweet taste.
Enhancing flavor and nutrition using herb and season like chili powder, and fresh herbs make this dish tasty and healthy. Main dish or side dish. น้ำตกหมู can be eaten as main dish or served with sticker rice and papaya salad. And favorite in northeastern Thailand.
This is ingredient. The first one mince pork, fish sauce, lime, chili powder, roast rice, sugar, gourmet powder, shallot, onion, coriander, minced leaf, sliced vegetable.
Hello everyone, welcome to cooking time. Today I will be making หมูน้ำตก Okay, let's start it. Okay, the first step is to grill the pork until it is cooked. Okay, let's go. Okay, it may take a while, so let's skip the part where the pork is cooked. Okay, after the pork is cooked, and I cut into the piece. Stop ไปก่อนแตะทุก Okay, next step. Seasoning น้ำตกหมู And the first is put the grilled pork in the mixing bowl and add fish sauce. Okay, and add lime juice. And add chili powder. And continue to mix. Okay, next add the roast rice. And slice shallot. And spring onions. And slice corianders. And mint leaf. And mix again. Okay, and add the sugar, a little bit, and gourmet powder. Okay, mix again. Okay, let's serve. Okay, next step. Scoop the น้ำตกหมู onto the plate and serve with side vegetable. Finished and ready to eat. Let's serve.